So today, I'm going to show you how to make Christina Tosi's famous olive oil muffins.
Look, you got it! You did it! Hurrah!
I wasn't so sure about olive oil muffins, but I hear that olive oil cakes are just absolutely moist and delicious. So I'm willing to give this muffin recipe a try because it's the famous Christina Tosi of Milk Bar. She says that these are simple, moist, easy to make treats. They're incredibly fast to whip up, relying on full-fat yogurt. And we'll use olive oil instead of butter, so a little bit less saturated fats. We're going to heat the oven to 400 degrees and line or grease a cupcake pan. Christina uses a full-size muffin pan, but I'm going to use a mini muffin pan today. In a large bowl, we're going to whisk together the yogurt, olive oil, and eggs until combined. That's 1 cup of full-fat yogurt, 1 1/3 cups of fancy olive oil, and 3 large eggs. Next, we're going to add flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and whisk until just combined. And that would be 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and just a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we'll pour the batter into the greased pan. Are you ready to bake? Into the oven they go. Bake them until the tops have puffed, they're golden brown around the edge, and a toothpick comes out clean. Look at these beauties. Oh my goodness. All set for a party. Clean as can be. I do hope you'll do me a favor and click that thumbs up like button. Please subscribe to my channel as it helps us to make more yummy videos for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.